Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two things. Your Jazzcash wallet is KYC verified and your phone supports NFC. Once done, open Google Wallet and sign in with your Google account so you can add a card. Tap Add, choose Payment Method, then select Add a bank account or card. This links Jazzcash via virtual card details. Make sure your Jazzcash app is logged in because Wallet will request OTP from that number. This verifies ownership and prevents fraud. Once you enter the virtual card or Jazzcash token info, Google Wallet requests an OTP to confirm the card. You will receive this OTP through the Jazzcash app or SMS. Enter it immediately to authorize. After verification, Wallet may provision a virtual card for contactless use, so set it as default for tap to pay. Make sure device lock is active. This keeps payments secure. If Wallet asks for billing address, match it to your Jazzcash account. You finish by testing with a small contactless purchase. Tap your phone to the terminal and watch for confirmation. If the payment declines, first reopen Google Wallet to verify the card status and recent OTP attempts, then check Jazzcash daily limits or block lists. Make sure NFC is enabled and no protective case blocks the coil. If problems continue, capture the transaction ID, note the error message, and contact Jazzcash support so they can trace provisioning or tokenization errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.